Today, we've got an exciting challenge for you that's perfect for those looking to dip their toes into the world of passive income without breaking the bank. The $10 Passive Income Challenge: How to Start Earning with Minimal Investment. We'll explore how you can start earning with minimal investment. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Understanding passive income. Passive income, a financial concept gaining increasing prominence, refers to earnings generated with minimal effort from the recipient. Contrary to the allure of instantaneous wealth, it involves the strategic construction of income streams demanding little ongoing involvement. The essence lies in establishing channels that continue to yield returns over time, often leveraging investments or assets. This financial approach diverges from the traditional model of trading time for money, encouraging individuals to cultivate revenue streams capable of functioning independently. Now, as we delve into the challenge at hand, the intriguing prospect emerges: achieving passive income with a mere $10 investment. The focus shifts from the conventional notions of substantial capital to the power of strategic financial decisions. This challenge unveils the potential for anyone, regardless of financial standing, to participate in the journey towards financial freedom. It underscores the importance of understanding the dynamics of passive income, demystifying the notion that wealth accumulation is exclusively reserved for those with substantial resources. In essence, the journey towards passive income underscores the democratization of financial opportunities, making wealth creation accessible to a broader spectrum of individuals. Investment options. With $10 at your disposal, the realm of investment options unfolds as a promising avenue for generating passive income. As you embark on the journey of the $10 Passive Income Challenge, strategic and patient decision-making becomes the cornerstone of success. Delving into the diverse landscape of investment opportunities, one can consider various avenues such as stocks, bonds, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. The stock market, with its dynamic fluctuations, offers the potential for capital appreciation, but it requires careful research and a long-term perspective. Bonds, on the other hand, provide a more stable income stream through interest payments, although returns may be lower. Alternatively, ETFs offer a diversified portfolio, spreading risk across multiple assets. Cryptocurrencies, real estate crowdfunding, or even starting a small-scale business are also viable options within the $10 budget. Regardless of the chosen path, the key lies in understanding the risk-return dynamics, conducting thorough research, and cultivating patience. This $10 may be a modest starting point, but with astute investment choices, it has the potential to grow into a source of meaningful passive income over time. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a timeless strategy for cultivating passive income. With a mere $10, individuals can become stakeholders in companies that distribute a portion of their profits as dividends to shareholders. The allure of dividend stocks lies in the consistent income they provide, offering investors a reliable and often predictable revenue stream. These stocks typically belong to well-established companies with a history of financial stability, making them a secure option for those seeking long-term returns. The beauty of this investment avenue is its accessibility, enabling even those with modest resources to participate in the wealth-building process. This financial undertaking opens up opportunities for individuals to explore and learn about the stock market, honing their skills in identifying promising dividend stocks that align with their investment goals. By delving into this challenge, investors can navigate the world of dividends, capitalizing on the potential for steady financial growth and reinforcing the notion that building wealth need not be an exclusive privilege, but an inclusive endeavor accessible to all. Researching dividend stocks. When delving into the realm of investing with a constrained budget, diligent research becomes paramount. The focus, particularly, shifts towards dividend stocks as a strategic avenue. The bedrock of this approach lies in identifying companies with a commendable track record of consistent dividend payments. This not only reflects the company's financial stability, but also signals a commitment to returning value to its shareholders. Navigating the expansive landscape of financial markets, investors often find themselves at the crossroads of information overload. In such scenarios, platforms like Yahoo Finance and Seeking Alpha emerge as invaluable allies, offering comprehensive insights and analyses on prospective dividend-paying stocks. These websites empower investors with the tools to gauge a company's fiscal health, ensuring informed decision-making. Emphasizing the importance of a well-thought-out strategy, the discourse extends to optimizing a modest budget. with guidance on deploying a $10 investment judiciously to unlock maximum potential returns. In essence, the research-centric approach, coupled with strategic allocation, forms the crux of a nuanced investment methodology, tailored for those navigating the financial landscape with limited capital. Setting realistic expectations. Setting realistic expectations is a fundamental aspect of navigating the terrain of small investments, where the initial capital might be modest, like a mere $10. It's crucial to recognize that such an amount won't magically transform into a substantial fortune overnight. Instead, the primary objective should be to lay the groundwork for gradual and sustainable growth. By understanding the limitations of a small investment, one can avoid undue disappointment and foster a patient mindset. The emphasis shifts from expecting rapid financial leaps to building a foundation that can pave the way for future prosperity. In this context, a key strategy involves reinvesting dividends to amplify earnings over time. Rather than impatiently waiting for instant windfalls, this approach encourages a deliberate and strategic approach to wealth accumulation. Realistic expectations not only shield investors from disillusionment but also empower them to make informed decisions that contribute to long-term financial success. Recognizing that small steps can lead to significant strides in the world of investments. Passive income streams online. Delving into the realm of passive income streams online unveils a myriad of opportunities for transforming a modest investment, such as $10, into a potential revenue stream. One avenue to explore is affiliate marketing, a dynamic method where individuals promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale generated through their unique referral link. This allows for a hands-off approach once the initial setup is complete, creating a sustainable flow of income. Another avenue involves the creation of digital products, ranging from ebooks to online courses, leveraging expertise or unique skills to generate income continuously. Additionally, participating in online surveys is a simple yet effective means of accumulating passive income, as individuals provide feedback on products or services in exchange for monetary compensation or rewards. The online landscape offers diverse and accessible channels for building passive income, catering to a range of interests and skill sets. By exploring these avenues, individuals can unlock the potential to establish reliable streams of income with minimal ongoing effort, thereby paving the way for financial independence and flexibility in the digital age. If you enjoyed this challenge, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments if you're up for it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal finance, investing, and building wealth.